A positive charge Q is placed in front of a conducting solid cube at a distance d from its center. Find the electric field at the center of the cube due to the charges appearing on its surface. So here there is charge. Now we find the electric field at the center due to this charge. So that will be E equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and distance is d, so d square. Its direction will be towards left. Now, since field inside a conductor is 0, it means there will be another field which will be just equal and opposite, which will cancel this field. So hence we can say the magnitude of the electric field due to charge appearing on the surface of the cube will be same. So E will be equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught d square, and its direction will be just opposite. Now, let's see next question. A pendulum bob of mass 80 mg and carrying a charge of 2 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb is at rest in a horizontal uniform electric field 20 kilovolt per meter. Find the tension in the thread of the pendulum. So here, this is base and this is thread. So this is situation in equilibrium. So in this direction, there is electric field. So force on the charge Q will be QE in this direction, and weight will be mg, which will be in this direction. So here we have to take the two components. So component of T in this direction will be T cos theta, which will balance mg. So T cos theta equals mg, and in this direction it will be T sin theta. So T sin theta will be QE. Now, if we square and add the two, we will get T square. Cos square theta plus sin square theta will become 1. So T square equal to mg whole square plus QE square, or T equal to root of m square g square plus q square e square. Now we can put the values. So m is given as 80 mg, which will be 80 times 10 to the power minus 6 kg, and g is here 10 meter per second square. So we can put this value here. So 80 into 10 to the power minus 6 whole square times 100 plus q square. So q is 2 into 10 power minus 8, 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 square times electric field. So that is 20 kilovolts, that is 20,000 volt square of it. So now we can simplify it. So simplification will give 8.8 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton. Thank you for watching.